brush that has any flexibility at all. Okay, and what do we always do? Every single time you use our eyelash curler, what do? Wipe it. Always wipe it, unless you want to have little eye worms. Actually, eye worms are good for you. There are little worms that sit on our eyelashes and they eat all the boo-boo. They eat the gooey. Have y'all ever seen one of those shows that actually shows you all the things that live on the human body? It's gross. It'll make you itch to watch it. But it is good because those are the very things that you want to be there. You want to let them live there because they eat all the bad stuff off of you. Isn't it weird to think that we host little organisms? There, so now I've fixed where I just pulled that off. It's back. The liner is back. Everybody calm down. The liner is back. Girls, now do you see about how long it takes me to get ready? Because that's so many steps. It's okay. I like it. I like makeup. Okay. Huh?
I do too.
I know. Alright, so today I'm going to be using this man eater. I now do not know which one is the old and which is the new because I put them in the same cup. So that was stupid. I have no way to know. Does one look more worn? No. Maybe one has more makeup. Let's see. Ooh, that was a nice good sound. That means there's a lot of product. A lot of product when you hear that noise. See, it was lighter. But that could be the new stuff because it has a chance to get on the wand really good. And what do we know about makeup wands? Never, 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 never go in and out. That takes air down in there and it will dry it out. So what you do is swirl it around and that will fill the brush up and then that means there's a lot of product on there. Okay, here we go. Tip the ends. I hear them over there making the noise. They must like the noise. So they're going to go around in school now going to the teacher and they'll be like, what are you doing? I'm like, mascara? Don't you know? Oh, that's right.
I'll just do it to myself.
You do it to yourself or do it to your mom. Who homeschools you, your mom or your dad?
It's like a homeschool.
Online?
Public school, yeah, like online. So it's like I have actual teachers.
Oh, that is so cool. Is that what Michelle does too? Because she homeschools. A lot of people are such a homeschool, y'all. I like that idea.
Online.
And some people say, well, then you don't have interaction with other people. Hello, there's people interacting in this room. Yeah, you were telling me how much you made. That's a lot of money. Yeah. Paid friendship. Alright. Okay, so I'm tipping this out, and I'm noticing there is a bit of a purple hue, and I've noticed that in many mascaras lately. I'm not sure what's up with that, but this brush is really good. It's a comb brush, and it's good at getting the there was the noise. Tip out with a lot of goo. See how the goo just gets on the end? That's okay because you're going to comb through it with your Hey, remember that I don't know how much the microphone picks up, girls. So I don't know what you're saying, but just remember the whole world could be hearing it right now.
We're just making mascara sounds.
Okay. Right, here we go. So I'm tipping the outer lashes towards the ear, the inner lash towards the nose, and then fan it out in the middle. And what you're doing is you've got a lot of goopy mascara on there because it lets out. These are very wide apart, and so it's doing that on purpose because this is a very hard comb, and so it's letting a lot of mascara off for volume, but then the comb thins it back through. It combs it through really well. We were just talking last night about when you have those flexible combs, this is what I don't like about them is they don't pull the product through. You know, you need some resistance. You need the resistance. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to tip the ends of the lower lash now. You know, this almost has a purple hue to this mascara. I wonder if that's kind of the point. Because it's got purple dot. Is this purple? Oh, I like it. I just noticed that the man-eater has purple cheetah dots on the outer thing. So I wonder if this actually is purple. It doesn't look like it, but it does on. Ah! I look down. Okay, so what do? I like having boobies online because let me show you what you do when you have a boobie. We just had a boobie. These little wonderful things. I love them. Oh, not those. But I like these too. These are little face secrets. These are little sponge applicators that you can use for different colors when your brushes aren't doing that great, or if you don't have a lot of brushes. You can get this at the drugstore or the grocery store, and you don't need brushes. You can just use those. But these little face secrets dual-ended cotton applicators. On one end, one thing I like the little container, so when it's all over, when you were all gone, I will still use this little case. One end is pointed, and one end looks kind of like a Q-tip, but when you turn it this way, you'll see it's not round, it's flat, and that's great for getting underneath your lashes like I just did these boo-boos. Watch. Look, I took it right off. I don't know why. But